Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the imaging modality and scale. This matters because signal quantification depends on units. Once positioned, stabilize the subject and align the target area under the lens. Next, open the circular ROI tool and place the circle exactly over the region of interest. You choose radius using known anatomy in mm, then save that circle as a preset so you can reproduce it across frames. This ensures consistent sampling and reduces bias later when you compare time points. Now perform the acquisition while keeping the circular ROI locked. You scan frames or a Z-stack so the ROI samples the same tissue volume. Once done, adjust gain and exposure carefully, too high clips signal, too low loses detail, then apply background subtraction to remove autofluorescence. After that, use thresholding to isolate T4 positive pixels and run centroid detection. This finds signal peaks inside the circle. These steps let you extract precise coordinates and intensity values for downstream analysis. Finish by exporting the circular ROI intensity trace as a CSV, including frame index, time, and centroid coordinates so you can reproduce the analysis. Then normalize those values to background and to control samples so you report relative change or convert to absolute units if you have calibration. Make sure to document every parameter, radius, exposure, thresholds, so others can replicate. If signal is weak, increase exposure modestly, confirm probe delivery, or check for motion. Those fixes usually resolve low detection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.